back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create this glowy and bronzy makeup look. I am obsessed with how this makeup turned out. I love it so much. And yeah, I'm going to an event right now and I wanted to show you how I get ready and everything. I have some body glow on me. The eyes are especially beautiful in my opinion. I just love the sparkliness and everything. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe by clicking the red button down below. It will make me so happy to have you here on my channel. And also don't forget to pause the video right now and go click the like button down below, so I will know that you like this video and you want me to do some more of these. Without continuing mumbling to you guys, let's go ahead and start with this video. So I'm not naked and I only put it now because I want to put some glowy product on my shoulders. So as you guys can see, I hope so, I'm self-tanned, which never happens, but I'm really excited because I love this color. I use the Saint-Tropez self-tanning mousse. I use the express one, so I will link it down below. I'm gonna take this RCK body glow in the shade medium, and this is an amazing product. You just put it all over your body, your face, whatever you want, and it just gives you a glow and you look amazing in photos. And I don't know, people just look at you. I just love it. I'm just gonna put this on my shoulders. I don't want to get my hands dirty, so I'm taking a brush, I'm taking a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it on my shoulders and just and you can definitely see the glow it gives my shoulder. It is so stunning. So you can see the glow that I have on my shoulders right now. This product is especially amazing because it is waterproof, which means it won't budge in water, and also it is sweat proof. When you put it and it dries down, it won't move. So you can put it, you can go to an event, it won't come down on your clothes, and it is amazing. I'm also gonna put a little bit here. I'm not sure that it will be shown, but I wanna make sure that if it is, I will look glowy. Now I'm gonna take some moisturizer and I'm gonna apply it to my face. I exfoliated my face right before filming this video. I used the Tarte fixation stick because when you want your makeup to look flawless, when you exfoliate, it will just make it even and easy to apply. I'm gonna take a little bit of this on my beauty blender and I'm gonna apply it to my cheekbones, and this will just make sure your cheekbones will look extra glowy underneath. So I just put it right here. Because today I want my skin to look extra flawless, I'm taking a primer. This is the NYX Angel Veil primer, and I'm just gonna put it where I have large pores and I feel like I need it. So this is mostly around my nose and right here. For foundation, I'm gonna mix my Lancome Tint Idol foundation with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation because I need to match this to this and I need to be quite dark, and the Lancome one is a little bit too light on me. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna buff everything, and I hope it will be the right shade for me. And I love these two foundations because you can see they give you a beautiful glow and it is just gorgeous. They have some SPF in them, but that's okay because I noticed that they don't have so much flash, like they don't have a lot of SPF in them, so I don't mind. So for concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, and it is quite light, so I hope it won't be too much. So I'm just putting a little bit here, a little bit here, like that, and you can see it's pretty light on me. So I think I'm gonna mix it in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Medium, and I'm just gonna put some of it here. Right now I'm gonna set my under eyes, and I'm taking a powder from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna make sure everything is set in place because we don't want any creasing, you know. So I'm making sure nothing is creasing like that. And now I'm taking a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna set my entire face just so everything will blend good on top of it. I'm taking the Colourpop bronzer in Private Party, and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. And I just want to go for an overall glowy look, nothing too much. I don't want a sharp contour line and nothing like that. So I'm just bronzing up. So to clean and brighten up the bronzer, I'm gonna take a little bit of a banana powder, and I'm gonna put it right under my eyes in a triangular shape, and this will just brighten up and everything and make everything look more clean. Now I'm taking the same bronzer, and I'm gonna put it in my crease as a transition shade. I'm taking a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it into my crease. Again, I want a really natural look, but yet very glowy and beautiful. Now I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm taking this Colourpop Au Revoir Luster Dust, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid, and I'm gonna tap it. I'm not gonna smudge it or anything. I'm taking a little bit of a makeup fixer. This is the Ofra makeup fixer, and I'm just spraying some on my brush. I'm taking the luster dust, and I'm gonna pat it on my eyelid. So now with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna take my Tarte Manicure palette. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner just to deepen it up. And now I'm taking a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna blend the outer corner. With whatever left on my brush, I'm just gonna put it under my lower lash line. And to brighten up the brow bone, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna make sure that I have a clean brow bone. I'm taking a black liner, and I'm just gonna tightline my waterline. So now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm taking my two favorite mascaras again. I will link them down below so you can see what they are, and I'm just gonna put it on my lashes. Okay, so now we must do the brows because it is pretty intense what's going on here. So I'm just taking my Goof Proof brow pencil. So for some peach glow, I'm taking the Milani Luminoso blush, and I'm taking a dense brush because I want it to be really noticeable. You see, this blush is so beautiful. It has the most beautiful sheen. I'm just gonna put on some inner corner highlight. I'm taking my holy grail that I haven't used in a long time, Jouer Citrine highlighter, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corners. This is the most intense highlight I have ever used. Like, look at that. So this highlight is amazing, but as you can see, it is pretty light, and right now my skin is a little bit more tan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and this is a beautiful, like, goldy apricot-y highlighting shade. And where is my beauty blender? I'm gonna take my beauty blender, I'm gonna spritz it with some Cover FX setting spray. This is the illuminating one. I'm gonna take some of the highlighter on my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna press it where I want to highlight. So I find that this method with the beauty blender doesn't work with any highlighting powder, but with the Wet n Wild one it is really, really good. And that is it for the face. I'm gonna take the Ofra makeup fixer. This stuff is so good. It has 240 milliliters, which are 8 Oz, and it is a big bottle. You can see it is a big bottle, so it will last you for a long time, and it really does make your makeup last longer. So I'm gonna spritz it before I put on any lip product. And first of all, it will just make everything on your face look more, you know, mixed in together, and it will also really keep your makeup on for the rest of the night. So I just really like this one. So for lips, I'm gonna go with the combo of the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Aquarius and the Jeffree Star Mannequin Liquid Lipstick. This is like my holy grail of liquid lipsticks. I love it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching me get ready for an event. I hope you enjoyed this video and this super glam makeup look. I'm actually obsessed with this. I just love it so much. It is so bronzy and beautiful, and it is just summer. And especially look at this beautiful, like, body glow. It is amazing. If you want a separate video just on that, then leave it in the comment section down below. So yeah, guys, thank you so much again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.